Have you ever wondered why some stocks swing wildly while others barely move? It often comes down to the float. The float represents the number of shares of a company that are available for the public to buy and sell on the open market. It is not the total number of shares in existence. Instead, we subtract shares held by company insiders and those locked in long-term holdings. When a company has a low float, volatility tends to increase because there are fewer shares to go around when demand spikes. Ever wonder why some stocks move faster than others? It all comes down to the float, or the shares actually available for you to trade. As you can see, the lower the float, the higher the potential for rapid price changes. High float stocks are usually more stable. Remember, always check the float if you are analyzing a company's price action. It is a critical piece of the market puzzle. Thanks for watching. If this helped clarify how market supply works, subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns.